It can be super overwhelming when you're trying to buy some tofu, and there are so many different types. For this video, we are gonna compare the soft tofu to the extra firm. Okay, let's get into it. I just took the soft tofu out of its container. And as you can tell, it's already super soft and super squishy. This is used for many dessert recipes. And if you're familiar with my channel, I have a chocolate mousse recipe that I used the soft tofu in. It is so delicious. I'll post the link in the caption, so be sure to check that one out. Now, this is the extra firm tofu, and as you can already tell, it's a lot harder than the soft tofu. And this one is used in a lot more recipes, especially for dinners and lunch ideas. So I find whenever you're in doubt, just pick up the extra firm tofu. Now you're going to need to press your firm tofu so you can get it to that crunchier taste that a lot of recipes ask for. And in order to do that, you have to press all the water out. That is all for today. I hope you now understand the difference between the soft tofu and the extra firm tofu. And I'll see you guys next time.